Today we're going to unbox Penzomatic Kids Process Art. We've got a kid here, and here we've got the Penzomatic Process Art box here.
Okay, let's open it up. Okay, let's lift it up. Like that. Like
You done?
that. Yeah.
Okay, now you want to open. Ooh, can you see what's inside?
It's so nice, but look at the sticker.
You want me to read it? Okay. It says, who is Penzomatic? Penzomatic is all about process art for kids. Process art is about the experience and not the end result. Somatic refers to the experiential side. Somatic refers to the experiential, which entails the use of our senses, perception, and mind or body as a whole. I started the small business after working and learning together with children, noticing that they wanted to experience and share their own journey and freely express themselves. Children are artists and need us not to only respect them, but to also afford them the freedom to be able to discover, observe, explore, and experiment. This is awesome. So,
Okay. Let's take it out.
that was from... Hey, you want to take it out?
Yeah.
You want to see what's inside? Oh, okay, you don't want to take it. I'm sure, right? What's this? Can you read?
Book at Bata.
Bath.
Bath.
Well done. And then, no. There's another part. Bath.
Bath. Is that an E or a L?
It's a L. Salt. Salt. Bath. Salt.
Bath salt.
Yeah.
Another bath salt.
Okay. See that easily.
That's open.
No, don't. You see, now you already missed some. Okay, but I suppose it's about the experiential stuff. This is hard. Just don't be so rough with it. Okay?
Okay.
It's more about the kid. Just remember that. It's more about
Yellow.
the kid. Okay.
Orange, yellow, bath salt,
Okay.
and more little, looks like beads.
Like beads. Okay. And what shape are they in? What do they look like? Little? Ball.
Balls.
Okay. Never mind. Okay.
This is
That's...
full pack.
Oh?
This is,
What's that?
what is it called?
Material.
Material.
Okay.
And this is two thing there, and it's buttons.
Oh, okay, buttons and some other sequences.
Looks like feathers.
Looks like feathers, alright.
Okay, and it looks like little monsters here. And this, yeah.
Okay, is it, don't be too fast. Wait. Just relax, hold on a bit. Okay, so that's a little minion and little bears and stuff. Okay. And this is Waxing Moon Creations. I'm not sure what this is, but I'm sure the instructions will tell us.
Two of this and one pair of scissors.
Okay.
That is green. And
This might be glue, boy.
and this is Prit.
Okay.
What is this? What is it called?
Actually called glue stick. Prit is the name of a brand. This is 12 oil pastels.
Oh,
Okay.
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 And this is a paper. This is, oh, some more,
It's a little guide. Okay.
some more.
Mm.
Done.
Okay.
And this is
Illustration of color. What is that?
paint.
Paint. Okay. Cool. Okay, what's next? Okay, and then there's this that came with it.
Okay. Let
Oh,
me.
you take it out. It's all about the case. It's all about the case. Do not have control.
No.
My God.
Ah.
Oh, okay. Okay, so this is your blank sheet of paper that you're going to use all of this on. Are you ready to use all of this and make something cool?
Yes.
And we're from iloveza.com.
We'll catch you guys back later.